Hi, my name is Jeffrey Darwin, with over 25 years in condominium management. Condominium management is indeed a complex endeavor. It requires a thorough understanding of various regulations. These regulations ensure the smooth operation and legal standing of the condominium corporation. Compliance with these rules is not optional. It is fundamental to the well-being of the community and the protection of its residents. Failing to adhere to these regulations can lead to serious consequences. These can range from legal disputes to financial penalties. In some cases, non-compliance can even jeopardize the safety and well-being of residents. Therefore, a proactive and meticulous approach to regulatory compliance is essential for effective condominium management. This guide outlines the key areas of regulatory compliance. It will provide practical insights and examples. This information will equip condominium boards and managers with the necessary guidelines for compliance. They can then confidently navigate the complexities of condominium governance. Understanding these regulations is only the first step. Implementing them effectively requires clear communication and consistent enforcement. By fostering a culture of compliance, condominium communities can create a harmonious and well-maintained living environment for all residents. Condominium communities are governed by a set of internal documents. These documents establish the rules and regulations. They guide the operation of the condominium corporation and the conduct of its residents. The three primary governing documents are the bylaws, declarations, and rules. The bylaws act as the corporation's constitution. They outline the basic framework of governance. This includes the powers and duties of the board of directors. They also cover the procedures for meetings and elections. For example, the bylaws may specify the quorum required for a board meeting. They might also detail the process for nominating candidates for board elections. Declarations, on the other hand, establish the legal framework for the condominium. They define the rights and responsibilities of unit owners. They also describe the common elements and how they are owned and maintained. For instance, the declarations might state that each unit owner has an undivided interest in the common areas. They might also stipulate the percentage of ownership based on unit size. Rules and regulations, as their name suggests, provide more specific guidelines for resident behavior. They address issues such as noise, pets, and use of common areas. For example, a rule might prohibit loud music after a certain hour. It might also limit the number of pets allowed per unit. These governing documents work in tandem to create a comprehensive framework for condominium living. It is crucial for condominium boards and managers to be intimately familiar with these documents. They must ensure that all decisions and actions are in strict compliance with their provisions. Regular review and updates of these documents are also essential to keep pace with evolving needs and legal requirements. In addition to internal governing documents, condominium corporations must also comply with a myriad of external regulations. These regulations are set forth by local, provincial, and federal governments. These laws and codes cover a wide range of areas. These areas impact the safety, habitability, and financial management of the condominium. Building codes are particularly important. They set minimum standards for construction, renovation, and maintenance of buildings. These codes ensure structural integrity, fire safety, and accessibility for people with disabilities. For example, building codes might dictate the required fire resistance rating for walls separating units. They might also specify the installation of handrails and ramps for accessibility. Local ordinances and provincial laws also come into play. They regulate aspects such as noise pollution, waste disposal, and property taxes. Compliance with these regulations is not merely a matter of good citizenship. It is a legal obligation that carries potential penalties for violations. Condominium boards and managers should proactively stay informed about any changes in local laws and building codes. They should also implement procedures to ensure ongoing compliance within the community. Section 4. Filing requirements keeping the government informed. Condominium corporations are not exempt from bureaucratic requirements. They must regularly file various documents with government agencies. These filings provide transparency and accountability. They also ensure the condominium corporation operates within the bounds of the law. One common filing requirement is the annual report. This report typically includes information about the condominium's financial status, board members, and contact information. Failure to file annual reports can result in late fees or even the loss of the corporation's legal standing. Depending on the jurisdiction, condominium corporations may also need to file other documents. These documents might include changes to the bylaws or declarations, notices of board meetings, or reports of major renovations. Keeping track of these filing deadlines and requirements can be challenging. Using a calendar system, setting up reminders, or employing a dedicated staff member can help ensure timely and accurate filings. Section 5. Insurance Management. Protecting the condominium corporation. Insurance is a critical aspect of condominium management. It provides financial protection against a wide range of potential risks. These risks include property damage, liability claims, and natural disasters. Condominium corporations are typically required to maintain several types of insurance policies. The master policy is the most comprehensive insurance policy. It covers the building structure, common areas, and equipment owned by the corporation. This policy typically includes coverage for fire, windstorm, vandalism, and other perils. It's important to review the master policy regularly. This ensures it provides adequate coverage for the condominium's specific needs and assets. In addition to the master policy, condominium corporations often require unit owners to obtain individual insurance policies. These policies, often referred to as HO6 policies, cover personal property within the unit and liability for accidents that may occur within the unit's boundaries. Liability insurance is another crucial component. It protects the condominium corporation from financial losses arising from lawsuits. These lawsuits might include claims of negligence, injury, or property damage that occur on the condominium property. Section 6. Environmental and fire safety. Promoting a responsible and secure living environment. Condominium corporations have a responsibility to provide a safe and healthy living environment for their residents. This includes complying with environmental regulations and fire safety standards. Environmental regulations cover a wide range of issues. These issues include waste disposal, water conservation, and air quality. Condominium corporations may need to implement recycling programs, install low-flow plumbing fixtures, or adopt landscaping practices that conserve water. Fire safety is another paramount concern. Condominium corporations must comply with fire codes and regulations. This includes maintaining fire alarm systems, sprinkler systems, and fire extinguishers. Regular inspections and testing of these systems are essential to ensure they are in proper working order. Additionally, conducting fire drills and educating residents about fire safety procedures can help prevent accidents and save lives. By adhering to environmental and fire safety regulations, condominium corporations can foster a responsible and secure living environment for all residents. Section 7. Conclusion: Regulatory compliance for smooth condominium operations. Regulatory compliance is not merely a box to be checked, it is the foundation upon which successful and harmonious condominium communities are built. By understanding and adhering to all applicable laws, regulations, and governing documents, condominium boards and managers can minimize legal risks and disputes, protect the financial well-being of the corporation, ensure the safety and well-being of residents, and create a well-maintained and desirable living environment. Compliance requires ongoing diligence and a commitment to staying informed about evolving regulations. By embracing a culture of compliance, condominium communities can thrive and provide a positive living experience for all residents. Check out additional topics related to condominium management in my other videos. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.